Now we're ready to put a hole in your name tag so you can hang your name tag on something. To start your hole, you're going to click on Start 2D Sketch. You'll notice that my mouse changes just a little bit. I'm going to click on the part or the face of the object that I want to add my new sketch to. For our purposes, we want to put it on the face. You'll notice that the face highlights red or changes colors. I'm going to click one time. You've seen a screen similar to this when we were making a rectangle. My name tag isn't exactly where I want it in my screen, so I can either push down on my wheel and drag my screen around, or I can come over here to this bar, click on my hand, and drag my name tag around. Remember to zoom in and out. We can use our wheel to push it away or pull the wheel in closer towards us. To start our hole, we're going to select a point to put our hole in. We want to put it exactly in the middle of this line. Notice how I'm holding my cursor over this edge of our name tag. It changes color. I'm going to pull it away, and I want to try and find the exact middle of that line. When I reach the exact middle, you'll notice a dotted line comes up. I want you to pull it away from that edge with the dotted line. It doesn't matter how far away you are right now, because we're going to dimension it and make it the proper length from that edge. When you get the dotted line, you'll click one time and you'll see that it has now added crosshairs for our point. Once we've added our point, we need to make sure that it's the correct distance from this edge. To do that, we're going to dimension the point just like we did with the edge of our rectangle. To dimension it, click on the dimension tool as I already have. Then you'll select the point and then select the edge of the name tag that you want to dimension it from, or move it away from that edge or closer towards. You'll notice that the edge changes color when I'm hovering over it with my mouse. I'll click one time, and then just like we did with the rectangle, I'm going to drag my mouse up without clicking, and then once it's above the rectangle, I'll click one time. Our hole needs to be 0.25 or 1/4 inches away from the edge. You'll type that in this box and then either click on the green check mark or press enter on your keyboard. That will move your point exactly 1/4 inch away from this edge. Once it's 1/4 inch away from the edge, you'll click Finish Sketch, and now we're ready to make our hole.